is. I've got a nice profit margin. Very nice profit margin. I'm sorry, a nice profit potential. Profit target right there. Let's see how this thing is looking on the intraday. Okay, it's already retested. Little bottom. You do have a little decline. Let's see if it's going to break out and up through that. Okay, we're picking up. Well, we haven't even had 20. Okay, we got that 23.6 acted as some resistance. Okay, but we do have green volume coming in. We do have that that little right shoulder coming in there. Okay, you got a lot of room to run. The market's moving. It is correlated. I'm going to just get to the long side on just a couple hundred shares there. Test it out. My time of day, I'm going into the power hour at this point in time. I have an intention of scaling in. My share size will not be above 1,000 shares anymore. Is that all of my trades will be below 1,000 shares. Let's see if we're right or wrong. Okay, keep refreshing on the bid. Okay, 25, that's an important number. We should have some sort of stop set there. Let's see which way they're going to go. Okay, this is called a fade. We're doing a little Fibonacci trade, little reversal to the upside. Looking for that momentum to come in. Light share size. Okay, refreshed up 26 and 27. Looking at the bid, looking at the offer, coming up to that 30. Looks like there might be a little resistance there. Let's watch that tape, especially the speed of the tape. Come over here and you can look at your watch list to see whether or not you're winking and blinking. You're getting a lot of yellows in there. We got volume coming in. We got some momentum coming in. I've seen a lot more momentum. Okay. Okay, 3 minute right there. Okay, got good size on the bid there. I want to let that get nice and green for you. Just pick up another 200 shares. Let's see. Okay, we're clearing these moving averages over there. Okay, let's take a look at that. My stop is going to be right down in this area here. Okay, and I don't want to get too heavy a share size on either. My stop is going to be right in there. Okay, my profit target is I want to close this trade as I approach R1. The market is starting to break out. Wanted to get nice, a lot of liquidity there. Okay, I'm using Fibonacci, which does correspond to the trend line. So I'm going to use that trend line. I'm going to use my fibs right there. And here comes my market. It keeps coming up. I'm taking it nice and easy. Market daily intraday stock box. Okay, that volume's coming in and fits and starts. I don't like that to any great degree. So I'm going to get out because I don't like the volume changing. I can always get back in, but I just didn't like that volume changing like that. And I'm close enough visually, I'm close enough to here. So, you know, I only got maybe 30 bucks after commission, something like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll take one more shot at it. Okay, let's push the trade. Okay, I'm pushing it up to 1,000. I just showed you an example of scaling in. Okay, and getting out for the reasons I got out. Now I'm showing you an example of pushing a trade or building bigger share size fast. Okay, I'm just showing this to you. Okay, you should know that this is the style of trading. That's why I'm showing it to you. That's why I'm showing it to you. Okay, we're up against that 50. This is just simply a one kind of trade, ladies and gentlemen. Not suggesting that you all get out and go to 1,000 shares. I am suggesting that you're aware that this is one of the trades that we do here. Let's see if that momentum is going to leave. Want to watch that. See if they're going to bust through. Okay, it is 20 to almost 22. We should be able to bust right through that. Okay, the market is coming up. We've got the wind at our back. Let's watch the bid there. You have a decent spread to it. You're not real volatile at the inside market, so to speak. We'll get out into that momentum. Okay, right up against that trend line. That's why I got out. Okay, any questions?